How do you divide an integer by a fraction? When you divide an integer by a fraction, you use the same method as when you divided fractions by each other. Remember that you can always write an integer as a fraction by placing a 1 in the denominator. Let's look at an example. 3 divided by 6/7. You write 3 as 3 over 1 and use the keep, change, flip method from the previous video. Keep the first fraction, change from division to multiplication, and flip the last fraction. That gives you 3 over 1 times 7/6, which is 3 times 7 in the numerator and 1 times 6 in the denominator. You factorize the numerator and denominator to see whether you can cancel anything. 3 times 7 in the numerator and 1 times 2 times 3 in the denominator. You can cancel the 3's and you are left with 7 halves. So 3 divided by 6/7 is equal to 7 halves. Let's look at one more example. 5 divided by 7/3. You write 5 as the fraction 5 over 1 and use the keep, change, flip method. Keep the first fraction, change from division to multiplication, and flip 7/3 into 3/7. This gives you 5 times 3 in the numerator and 1 times 7 in the denominator. As 3, 5, and 7 are all prime numbers, this fraction is as reduced as it can be. You then multiply the numbers in the numerator and get 15/7, making 5 divided by 7/3 equal to 15/7. As you can see, both examples are solved the exact same way. When you divide an integer by a fraction, this is what you do. Write the integer as a fraction by placing a 1 in the denominator. Use the keep, change, flip method. Factorize and check whether you can simplify. Multiply the remaining factors using fraction multiplication.